Good morning, Lucien, and thank you for accepting to answer my questions today. You work for Sorry Group's International Department Sorry Link. Could you tell us more about you, your work and the company?
Good morning, Jerome. I'm glad to answer your question. I work for Sorry Group since 2001, and I'm Senior Manager of the International Department. I have a double role in Sorry Link. I assist the French company in their settlement in foreign countries and the foreign companies in their settlement in France. I cover with them all the aspects of the project, business plan, organization, legal status, tax issue, and all questions around the project. Sorry Group is made up of 8 units that have progressively been added over the past 40 years. Each unit is specialized in supporting SMEs in the key area of business: accounting and tax services, law services, financial audit, human resource management, consulting services, and training. With Sorry Learning, we saw the need to create a business unit that was capable of addressing all the needs of business without having handoff within the process. This enables us to have a comprehensive and holistic view on the client needs, their capacity and expectation, and it affords us the position of being able to build a close relationship with our client and to be a better position to support our client business. Our objective has always been to serve SMEs, so our business model has been developed around that. As our company has developed, so has our model, and we have always kept our focus on how to better serve SMEs. We can offer a sense of security to our clients with our experience and our demand of over 50,000 clients in all different sectors.
How does your company help foreign entrepreneurs to start and develop their businesses in France?
Here at Sorry, we are what we are calling the business lifecycle management model. In this model, our services can basically be broken down into 3 main categories: business planning from conception to creation, operational management, creating a seamlessly integrated and operational business, business management, and development of strategically manage each business's own life cycle. Our goal was to design an offering that supports businesses, allowing them to focus on their core business. Depending on where you are in your business development process, Sorry has the expertise solution and now to serve the specific needs of the foreign companies, and we are in capacity to propose an adapted solution about all the different cases. Our knowledge of the French market and all the different legal institutions offer at the foreign companies stability and security in their development process.
What is your key advice for foreign entrepreneurs who want to conduct business in France? What are the key 4 steps?
My key advice for foreign entrepreneurs who want to conduct business in France will be to identify with precision the potential market and the condition of penetration. The risk of failure is very important when you have not prepared your successful condition. For me, the key first step will be a business plan, a good knowledge of the country destination of your invest, a market study, because sometimes you need to adapt your product and communication at the country where you decided to set your presence, and an adapted representation in France of the foreign entrepreneur.
What are the different legal statuses available to foreign investors in France, and how do they differ?
You have access at a large fan of solutions. All will depend on your project, but the arbitration are still between the subsidiary status and the branch status. The second is more flexible than the first solution, and the branch solution allow to evolve in subsidiary. When you opt for the branch, you don't have the company form. The branch make once with the foreign company. Regarding your obligation in France, you have the same tax duty that for a subsidiary, but you are not concerned by the annual registration of your financial annual account. You don't have to manage your legal duties regarding the annual and board meeting.
What questions should an entrepreneur ask before choosing a social status for their company?
All depends because the preoccupations are never the same. All the profiles are different, but there is a global consensus. They need flexibility and modularity.
After choosing a social structure, what is the next step in the process of creating a company?
The next step in the process is the registration of the company at the Bureau for Tribunal de Commerce and the management of the relationship with the different authorities.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much,
It was
Lucia.
my pleasure.